Assalamu alaikum. As you know that we started with the new story yesterday. That is Hamlet. The Unhappy Prince was the first chapter in Hamlet. And are you all listening to me? If you are listening, please raise your hands. Okay, thank you very much. All right. We started with the first chapter, and what happened in the first chapter was that Hamlet is a prince, and he's a young boy, and he was a university student. Yes, he's a university student. He loves his father and his family very much. But then what happened? That suddenly his father, the king, he died. And as his father died, Hamlet became very upset, very sad. He did not accept his father's death. It was not easy for him to accept his father's death that easily. So he was very sad and he was very upset. And then something else happened which made him even more upset. And that was that his mother, the queen, Queen Gertrude, she married the king's brother, Claudius, and that also within 2 months of the king's death. And that was very, very upsetting for Hamlet because um, one thing, Hamlet loved his father very much. He could not forget his um, death. It was not easy for him. Second, second thing was that he loved his mother also, but he did not like Claudius. He could not accept Claudius at his father's place. वो कभी भी क्लॉडियस को अपने फादर की जगह नहीं दे सकता था. It was not possible for him. He did not like him, and he kept on thinking one thing, that if we compare the old king and Claudius, there was no comparison, because the old king was a very kind and popular person. Everyone liked him very much. But Claudius, in comparison, he was an ugly man, a foolish man, a wicked man. एक चालाक और मक्कार इंसान था. uh, he was not even good looking, he was not even intelligent. So he wondered. हेमलेट को बड़ी हैरत होती थी इस बात के लिए that what is how could his mother love Claudius. कि कैसे हो सकता है, उसे बहुत इस बात पे हैरत होती थी कि क्लॉडियस में ऐसी कौन सी खास बात है कि इसे किंग की जगह दी जाए. सो ही कुड नॉट एक्सेप्ट Claudius as his father. Afterwards, what happened that okay, and as he could not forget his father's death, he kept on wearing black clothes. वो अपने black clothes जो हैं वो ही पहन के रखता रहा. ये ट्रेडिशन है क्रिश्चियंस में कि जब उनकी फैमिली का कोई भी मेंबर की डेथ हो जाती है, दे वेयर ब्लैक क्लोथ्स फॉर 1 or 2 days and then afterwards they come back to their normal clothes. But Hamlet did not stop wearing black clothes because he could not forget his father's death. He kept on thinking about his father's death and his mother's marriage and nothing else. बस ये दो बातें उसके जहन में हर वक्त चलती रहती थी और कोई तीसरी बात नहीं आती थी. So this was really, really sad for him. And this thing, everyone noticed, observed that Hamlet's behavior was very strange. हर किसी को उसका बिहेवियर बहुत स्ट्रेंज लगता था. लेकिन क्या हुआ कि गर्ट्रूड के लिए एंड क्लॉडियस के लिए ये वाली चीज बहुत ज्यादा अपसेटिंग थी. दे वर वरीड अबाउट दिस बिकॉज दे वर हैप्पी इन देयर लाइफ. दे वर हैप्पी इन. तहसीन ज़हरा, स्टॉप योर वीडियो बेटे. So what happened that Gertrude and Claudius, they called him in the court. Court means दरबार. दरबार में उसको बुलाया. और दरबार में बुला के किस लिए? Because they wanted to talk to him about his strange behavior. they knew that everyone else, even the ministers and lords and other people, also had observed that Hamlet was behaving in a strange way, so they wanted to talk to him about it, and that's why they called him in the court. Okay. And when Hamlet came in the court, Claudius, even Gertrude was talking to him in a loving way. She was trying to comfort him, उसको तसल्ली दे रही थी और ये सब. But Claudius, he wanted to show that he really loved Hamlet and all that in front of all the people in the court. That's why, what did he say? He said that I love you like my own son, and like that, and you will become king after me, and I'm really worried about you, and I don't want you to go back to your university. I want you to stay here with us and all that. Hamlet did not like Claudius, so he did not give any importance to his. Abdullah Hasib, stop your video, bete. So he ignored whatever Claudius said, and but he told his mother that okay, if she wants it, he will not go. Okay, then what happened? Okay, now till here we did it till yesterday, and we will start from here. This is page 51. Despite the king and queen's concern, despite का मतलब होता है बावजूद. Despite means बावजूद. The king and queen's concern means फिकर. तो किंग और क्वीन के इतना फिक्र करने के बावजूद, they were showing that they were worried about Hamlet. They were showing their concern for Hamlet. They were showing their worry for Hamlet. But even then, Hamlet was not happy. He did not feel that somebody is caring for him. और ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था उसको कि कोई उससे बहुत प्यार करता है, कोई उसका ख्याल कर रहा है. उसे ऐसे नहीं लग रहा था. He felt as if he were trapped. उसे ऐसा लग रहा था that he is trapped. Trapped का मतलब है फंस जाना किसी चीज के अंदर, किसी ट्रैप में, किसी जाल में फंस जाना, किसी साजिश में फंस जाना. सडनली द वर्ल्ड वाज फुल ऑफ अनप्लेजेंटनेस. अनप्लेजेंटनेस का मतलब होता है ना खुशगवार चीजें, ऐसी चीजें जो अच्छी नहीं है, ऐसी चीजें जो हमें खुशी नहीं देती हैं. ठीक है. अब उसको पूरी दुनिया कैसे लगने लगी थी? ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे देयर इज नथिंग टू बी हैप्पी अबाउट इन द वर्ल्ड. उसे ऐसे लगता था कि देयर इज नथिंग लेफ्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. देयर इज नो हैप्पीनेस लेफ्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. देयर इज नथिंग प्लेजेंट लेफ्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. उसको ऐसे लग रहा था world was not a good place for him anymore. There was nothing good left in it. So he thought that there's nothing good in the world for him. उसे नहीं लगता था कि अब कुछ भी अच्छा बचा है दुनिया में. It seemed to him that everyone around him was lying and cheating. And because he was thinking negative, I told you yesterday that when a person starts feeling negative, thinking negative, तो क्या होता है कि उससे अपने दोस्त, अपने आसपास के लोग who are really sincere to him, वो लोग भी उसको चीटिंग करते हुए, झूठ बोलते हुए लगते हैं. Because the person himself is thinking negative. So Hamlet was in such a mental state, and he thought, he felt, उसे बिल्कुल ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे हर इंसान जो उसके आसपास है, everyone who is around him, all the people, all the lords and ministers and all the people who actually were not such people, but Hamlet thought that they were lying. जैसे वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं and cheating, उसको धोखा दे रहे हैं. He wanted to die, and because he did not like the world anymore, उसे दुनिया कोई बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लग रही थी और कोई उसको, there was nothing, he felt that there is nothing good left in the world. So he wanted to die. He wanted to leave the world. वो मर जाना चाहता था. Why should he live? And he asked himself, अपने आप से उसने सवाल पूछा that why should, for what reason he should live? किस वजह से वो जिंदा रहे, किसके लिए जिंदा रहे? He was disappointed. A feeling of disappointment was actually all around his mind. वो continuously एक उसको क्या feeling आ रही थी? Disappointment, मायूसी. That's it. Everyone seemed so hopeless. and everything around him, everything, even if it was good, कोई अच्छी चीज, कोई खुशी की चीज भी उसको खुशी की नहीं लग रही थी, हर चीज उसे डिसअपॉइंटिंग लग रही थी, हर चीज उसे होपलेस लग रही थी. To think that his own mother could be so unfeeling, what was the reason? The reason, there were two reasons. One reason, his father's death, obviously, whom he really loved. उसके फादर की डेथ पहली बहुत बुरी चीज थी उसकी लाइफ में, और दूसरी चीज वो ये थी, his mother. He loved his mother also, but he felt that his mother is so selfish. His mother has forgotten his father so quickly, and his mother has married again, and she is happy, and she does not feel about Hamlet in just like a mother. तो इस वजह से अब्दुल्ला हसीब, आई विल रिमूव यू फ्रॉम द क्लास नाउ. So this was disappointing for him, and he was feeling disappointed. That's why he felt that he should die. If only there was something he could do. And he felt that now he could not do anything. He cannot do anything. उसको ऐसे लगता था कि अब वो अपनी लाइफ को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, अपने हालात को बेहतर बनाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. He felt that he could not, there was nothing in his hand, and he cannot do anything. To think that okay, just as Hamlet was thinking this, his friend Horatio came to speak to him. As Hamlet was feeling so dejected, as he was feeling so disappointed, इस वक्त जबकि वो इस तरह की मायूसी की बातें सोच रहा है, who came there? His friend Horatio. He came and he said that he wanted to talk to him about something very important. So, what did he say? My lord, a very strange thing has happened. He cried. Cried means shouted. उसने चीख कर बोला, my lord, मेरे आका. As he is the prince, although he is his friend, लेकिन फिर भी वो prince तो है, इसलिए वो उसको इसी तरह से कॉल करते हैं, my lord, a very strange thing has happened. एक बहुत अजीब चीज हुई है, एक बहुत अजीब बात हुई है. Something unexpected has happened. Something weird. Something which you cannot expect to happen has happened. यानी एक बहुत ही अजीब बात हुई है. The castle guards saw a ghost last night, and I was with them. Castle means किला, महल, जहां पर बादशाह और प्रिंस और ये लोग रहते हैं, उसे कासल कहते हैं. अब्दुर्रहमान खान बेटे, आप अपनी वीडियो नहीं चलाएंगे. So the castle guards, the guards of the castle, they saw a ghost last night. What is ghost? Ghost means bhoot. Something supernatural. कोई चीज जो सुपर नेचुरल होती है, इंसान नहीं होता, इनह्यूमन. सो क्या है जी, उसने क्या बताया है कि कासल के गार्ड्स ने कल रात को, पिच द प्रीवियस नाइट, दे सॉ अ गोस्ट. उन्होंने एक गोस्ट देखा है, एंड आई वाज विद देम, एंड ही सेड दैट देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट, दैट व्हाट दे आर सेइंग इज अ लाई, और ऐसी बात है, वो झूठ नहीं कह रहे हैं. उसने कहा कि वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहे हैं. आई वॉज विद देम, आई एम द विटनेस. उसने कहा कि मैं भी विटनेस हूँ, मैंने भी ये देखा है. उन्होंने कल रात को एक गोस्ट देखा है. देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट. सो इट मीन्स इट इज फॉर श्योर, दिस इज समथिंग फॉर श्योर. ये वाली बात बिल्कुल सच है, परफेक्टली ट्रू. My lord, it was your father. And he said that as I was with them and what they were saying, I also agree with that. It is absolutely true that the ghost was your father. And who is his father? The old king. So it means that the ghost of the king had come, and the castle guards and Horatio, they saw the ghost. My father's ghost, Hamlet exclaimed, very excited. Excited का मतलब आमतौर पे आप लोग लेते हैं खुश होना. यहाँ पर Hamlet is not very happy कि उसे excited कहा जा रहा है. He is impatient. वो बेचैन हो गया, एकदम से uneasy फील करने लगा, और उसने क्या कहा कि my father's ghost, मेरे father का ghost, exclaimed means he asked. वो एकदम से उसने बोला, and he became very impatient, he became very uneasy. Something must be very wrong, something important. And he was sure that his father's ghost would not come for any just the other thing. It means that something very wrong, something very very important is happening around, something which should not happen. कुछ हमारे आसपास ऐसा हो रहा है जो बहुत गलत हो रहा है, हमारे आसपास कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है which is very very important, and maybe my father's ghost wants to tell me about it. That's why it has come. So it means that it is not something as a small thing. It is very important, it is a big thing. We should take notice of it. I will speak to the ghost myself. उन्होंने और हेमलेट ने क्या कहा कि मैं उस गोश्त से खुद बात करना चाहता हूँ this very evening. This very evening means Meet up Fahim beta, stop your video. So he said that I want to talk to the ghost myself, and that also today. It means कि इसमें मैं देर भी नहीं करना चाहता, मैं आज ही. Ibrahim Asif, stop your video, otherwise bete I will remove you from the class. All right. So he said that today's evening, a night, tonight, I want to talk to the ghost myself. So it means that he said that I'm sure that the ghost wants to tell me something very, very important. The ghost wants to tell me something which is wrong and it is going on around. Okay, the ghost secret. That evening, Hamlet, Horatio, and one of the soldiers met at midnight to watch for the ghost. अब उस रात को क्या हुआ? Hamlet, Horatio, and one of the soldiers. They took only one soldier, the one who is trustworthy, जिस पर एतबार किया जा सकता है, उसको उन्होंने choose किया और उसको उन्होंने they decided to meet at midnight. Midnight means आधी रात को वो तीनों एक जगह इकट्ठे हुए to watch for the ghost. It means they were waiting for the ghost. They wanted to see the ghost. They wanted to talk to the ghost that night. The night was dark, cold, and quiet. It was very cold, बहुत सर्दी थी, and the night was dark. It means obviously it was midnight. आधी रात का वक्त था, बहुत अंधेरा था, बहुत सर्दी थी, and everything was quiet. And obviously at midnight we all know that everything is always quiet at midnight. बिल्कुल खामोशी होती है हर तरफ. In the distance, they could hear the sound of music and laughter. और कुछ दूर से, at a certain distance, somewhat far from where they were standing, जहाँ वो खड़े थे उससे कुछ दूर से, they could hear the sound of music. उन्हें हल्के हल्के म्यूजिक की आवाज आ रही थी. And laughter means people were laughing. They were laughing and talking, and the sound of music was also coming. They could hear that. And obviously as it is coming from a certain distance, so बहुत ही हल्की हल्की आवाज आ रही थी. The king and queen were enjoying a feast. Feast means दावत, a party. So वो किस चीज की आवाजें थी? वो आवाजें king or queen, they had a party that night and they were enjoying the party, and there were many other people also there in the party. That's why the sound of music and the sound of people talking and laughing was coming from a distance. Suddenly Horatio touched Hamlet on the arm. और अब अचानक क्या हुआ? Horatio touched him. It means that he wanted him to see on in a direction. Horatio ने उसके बाजू पे उसको टच किया और क्या कहा? Look, my lord, he whispered. Look, it is coming. The ghost had appeared again. What did he say? Horatio ने कहा, look, my lord, देखे मेरे आका. Whispered, he whispered. Whispered means to talk in a very low voice, हल्की आवाज में बोलना, सरगोशी करना, बहुत ही आहिस्ता आवाज में बात करना। तो होरेशियो ने बिल्कुल हल्की सी आवाज में सरगोशी की, जैसे कान में बात की जाती है, उस तरह से उसने कहा, लुक, इट इज कमिंग। एंड ही पॉइंटेड टू वन डायरेक्शन, एक साइड पर उसने इशारा किया और कहा कि देखें, वो आ रहा है। कौन आ रहा था यहाँ पर? द गोस्ट वॉज कमिंग। द गोस्ट हैड अपीयर्ड अगेन। अपीयर्ड मीन्स केम बैक, केम इन व्यू, नजर आया, दोबारा से नजर आया। दे कुड सी द गोस्ट वंस अगेन। Hamlet knew at once that it was his father's ghost, and as Hamlet saw the ghost, he recognized it at once, in 1 second. He recognized, उसने फौरन पहचान लिया कि ये ghost जो है ये उसके father का ghost है. He was both frightened and curious. Now, what was the mental state of Hamlet? One thing, as it was the ghost obviously, and everyone is afraid of the ghost obviously. हम सब लोग जो हैं वो ghost से डरते ही हैं ना. So Hamlet was also frightened. Frightened means he was afraid, he was terrified, खौफजदा था वो, and curious. Curious means when you want to know about something, when you are eager to know about, जब आप कुछ जानने के लिए बेचैन होते हैं, वो curious होता है. यानी you cannot stop yourself from finding out things, finding out some secret. यानी आप अपने आप को रोक ही नहीं सकते, किसी चीज के बारे में आप जानने के लिए बेचैन होते हैं, वो राज जानने के लिए बेचैन होते हैं. So that is curious. So Hamlet was in such a state that he was frightened, yes, but he was also curious. He really wanted to know what the ghost wanted to tell. Okay, then what happened? Why have you left your grave? What does this mean? What should we do? Oh, answer me, he cried. Now, because he's curious, he wanted to know that why the ghost has come back, किस वजह से, क्या मसला है, what is the secret. That is why he is asking so many questions together at once. एकदम उसने बहुत सारे सवाल पूछने शुरू कर दिए. Why have you left your grave? The first question was, grave means कब्र. तो उसने क्या कहा कि आपने अपनी कब्र को छोड़कर आप क्यों आए हैं? What does this mean? It means that what is the reason? What does this mean? इसका क्या मतलब है? What do you want to say? What should we do? Do you want us to do something? उनसे ये पूछ रहा है कि क्या आप चाहते हैं, हमें कुछ करने के लिए कहना चाहते हैं, आप हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Oh, answer me, he cried. And he was shouting. He said that, please answer me, please tell me, why have you come back? What is the secret that you want to tell us? But the ghost did not answer. But the ghost was quiet. He was not answering. वो कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा था. Instead, it silently signaled to Hamlet to follow it. The ghost did not answer. उसने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया. But instead, इसके बजाय, instead का मतलब है इसके बजाय, it silently means quietly, खामोशी से, signaled इशारा करना. ओके, इशारा करना, पॉइंट करना किसी साइड पर. सो क्या हुआ कि कुछ कहने के बजाय द गोस्ट जो है उसने खामोशी से इशारा किया हेमलेट को टू फॉलो इट. इट मीन्स दैट ही वांटेड हेमलेट टू कम आफ्टर हिम. यानी वो चाहता था कि हेमलेट उसके पीछे पीछे एक तरफ, एक डायरेक्शन में, एक जगह पर आए. ही वांटेड हेमलेट टू कम एंड फॉलो हिम एंड कम विद हिम. वो चाहता था कि हेमलेट उसके साथ आए. ओके. Horatio was afraid and begged Hamlet not to go. अच्छा, अब obviously वो जो ghost है, he is a ghost, वो ghost है भाई, वो कोई आम इंसान तो नहीं है. So Horatio did not want Hamlet to go. वो बहुत डरा हुआ था. He was frightened. वो ghost से तो सभी लोग डरते हैं. So Horatio was also afraid and he begged. Begged means requested. He requested Hamlet not to go with the ghost. उसने रिक्वेस्ट किया हेमलेट को कि he should not follow the ghost, he should not follow with the he should not go with the ghost. ghost की बात उसको नहीं माननी चाहिए. अब्दुल्ला हसीब, So he said that उसने हेमलेट को रिक्वेस्ट किया कि he should not go with the ghost, but Hamlet fiercely pushed his friend away. Fiercely means angrily, गुस्से से. मगर हेमलेट ने उसकी ये रिक्वेस्ट नहीं मानी और बहुत ही गुस्से से he pushed his friend away. Pushed means धक्का देना. उसने बहुत ही गुस्से से उसको, अपने फ्रेंड को धक्का देके दूर कर दिया, अपने से दूर किया. Nothing would stop the prince from following the ghost, even if it led him to hell itself. Now, हेमलेट वॉज इन सच अ मेंटल स्टेट. इस वक्त उसकी जो मेंटल स्टेट थी, उसकी दिमागी हालत इस तरह की थी कि ही वांटेड टू नो व्हाई द गोस्ट हैड कम एट एनी कॉस्ट. किसी भी कीमत पर वो ये जानना चाहता था कि ये गोस्ट जो है मेरे फादर का, ये क्यों वापस आया है. सो एनीवन who is requesting the prince not to follow the ghost, the prince would not listen. कभी भी वो किसी की बात भी नहीं सुनने वाला था. Nothing would stop the prince from following the ghost. इस वक्त उसे कोई नहीं रोक सकता था. किस बात से? गोस्ट के पीछे जाने से कोई भी नहीं रोक सकता था. Even if it led him to hell itself. Led means गोस्ट आगे आगे चल रहा था और हेमलेट उसके पीछे जा रहा था. चाहे गोस्ट उसको हेल में ले जाता. हेल मीन्स दोजख. हेल मतलब दोजख. अगर वो गोस्ट उसे दोजख में भी ले जाता तो हेमलेट उसके पीछे जाने को तैयार था, बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू नो द सीक्रेट ऑफ द गोस्ट. वो ये सीक्रेट जानना चाहता था. वो जानना चाहता था कि गोस्ट उसके फादर का जो है वो वापस आया है. देयर मस्ट बी वेरी समथिंग वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ही वांटेड टू टेल हिम, एंड ही वांटेड टू नो दैट. He disappeared from Horatio's sight into the black night, and it was very black. It was very dark everywhere, all around, and Hamlet was walking. Hamlet was walking um before the ghost. उसके पीछे पीछे वो चल रहा था. And after a few moments, Hamlet and the ghost, they disappeared in the darkness of the night. रात के अंधेरे में जैसे वो गुम हो गए. When Hamlet and the ghost were alone. Now, Hamlet and ghost, they have come at a certain distance from Horatio and other people. So it means that थोड़े डिस्टेंस पे जब हेमलेट और गोस्ट आ गए, एंड नाउ दे वर अलोन. देयर वाज नो वन एल्स देयर अराउंड देम. अब इस वक्त उनके आसपास कोई नहीं था. The ghost turned to him and spoke. Now the ghost, he turned to him. He turned his face towards Hamlet. वो मुड़ा, Hamlet की तरफ मुड़ा. And now he started to speak. He started to talk to Hamlet. अब उसने बात करनी शुरू की. What he said filled the young man with horror. And he was telling the secret. He was telling a secret to Hamlet. And whatever he told him was really terrifying. जो वो उसे बता रहा था वो एक बहुत ही खौफनाक कहानी थी. And because of that story, when Hamlet heard that story, he became terrified. वो खौफसदा हो गया, डर गया. एकदम से उसके अंदर जैसे खौफ भर गया. He told him that he was the dead king's ghost. First of all, he told him that who is he? He is the dead king's ghost. जो king जिसकी death हो गई है उसका वो ghost है. And that he had been cruelly murdered. And what is he telling? That his death was not a natural death. The king's death was not a natural death. He had been cruelly means जालिमाना तरीके से, बेरहमी से. Cruelly means बेरहमी से murdered, कत्ल किया गया. So, what is the king's ghost telling? That the king's death was not a natural death. Actually, the king was murdered. And that also brutally murdered. बहुत ही बेरहमी से उसे कत्ल किया गया था. Hamlet, he continued. Now he is speaking. The ghost is speaking. The ghost is telling. He is continuously talking. He's saying, Hamlet, he continued, they said a snake bit me in the garden. They said means कहा जाता है. They said means कहा जाता है a snake bit me in the garden. That everyone knew, and all the people, they were told that the king died because a snake bit him when he was sleeping in the garden. सब लोगों को यही बताया गया था कि किंग की डेथ किस तरह से हुई, that the king was sleeping in the garden and a snake came and bit him. That's how the king died. ये उसको उनको बताया गया था. So he said that they said a king, उन्होंने कहा, उन्होंने बताया, कहा ये गया है that a snake bit me in the garden, कि एक snake ने मुझे garden में, जब मैं था तो एक snake ने मुझे काट लिया, but the snake that killed me now rules my kingdom. He said that it was not a snake that bit me. Actually, whoever killed me is now ruling my kingdom, is the king of my kingdom, king of my country today. So what is he saying? He's saying that actually वो snake, वो सांप जिसने मुझे मारा है, जिसने मुझे कत्ल किया है, वो तो इस वक्त मेरे मुल्क पर हुकूमत कर रहा है. He is ruling my country now. So who is he talking about? He's talking about Claudius. He's talking about his brother. So it means that it was his brother who killed him when he was sleeping in the garden. Claudius killed him. And why did he kill him? Obviously, as we will proceed with the novel and the story, we will come to know that what is the objective, what is his aim, what did he want. आखिर किस वजह से क्लॉडियस ने ये किया कि उसने अपने भाई को, अपने सगे भाई को कत्ल कर दिया. सो what is the secret that the ghost wanted to tell Hamlet? That it was not a natural death, it was a murder, and that also committed by Claudius. And what is the objective behind the murder? ये हम आगे पढ़ते जाएंगे. ठीक है जी. Now put a date over here. Right now यहाँ पर आज की डेट डालें. Today is July 14th. यहाँ पे आज की डेट डालें बेटे, और यहाँ तक की स्टोरी के जितने भी डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं, you will learn all those difficult words, and you will read the story once again, read it once again, and I want you everyone to do some reading practice. Okay. All right. Now, if there is any question, you may